Welcome to today's financial news update from quantbyte.io. Cotton futures are trading, with little movement, remaining near their unchanged levels. External market pressures influence prices, with a decline in crude oil and an increase in the US dollar index. In related news, 463 cotton bales were sold at an online auction from the SEAM on Friday. Sugar futures rise on strong demand and currency gains. Key facts: March New York World Sugar Price up plus 0.19, plus 1.23%. December London ICE White Sugar Price up plus 7.00, plus 1.59%. Strength in the Brazilian real boosts sugar prices. Strong demand from China contributes to price increases. Cocoa prices show mixed results in current trading. December ICE New York cocoa has risen by plus 55, plus 0.93%, while December ICE London cocoa number 7 is down minus 7.17%. The market experienced some recovery, with New York cocoa entering positive territory due to short covering activity triggered by indications of improved market conditions. Coffee prices are experiencing a mixed reaction. Arabica coffee futures have surged plus 6.15, plus 1.55%, due to supply concerns related to potential U.S. tariffs on Colombia, a major Arabica producer. In contrast, Robusta coffee prices have declined minus 35.77%. U.S. stock markets have risen, with the S&P 500 index increasing by 1.01%, the Dow Jones Industrials Index rising by 0.86%, and the Nasdaq 100 Index growing by 1.29%. The respective futures contracts for these indices also saw gains, with December E-mini S&P futures up 1.01% and December E-mini Nasdaq futures increasing. Cotton prices have remained steady, but slightly declined by 12 points. This follows a positive close to the previous session, where futures rose by 40 to 55 points. Additionally, December cotton contracts were up 44 points last week, but received little support from outside market factors. The wheat complex is experiencing weakness, with most contracts declining. However, spring wheat prices are attempting to stabilize and move slightly higher. Soft red wheat and hard red winter wheat futures are showing minor losses. Corn futures are holding steady, changing little from previous levels. The current average cash price for corn is $3.80 1/2 per unit. This week's export inspections report indicates that 1.317 million metric tons, 51.877 million bushels, of corn were shipped. Soybean prices rose by 10 to 11 cents in midday trading due to more favorable comments from President Trump on China trade relations. The average cash price for soybeans increased to $9.556 1/2, with support coming from higher soy meal futures. Lean hog futures are experiencing mixed results, with nearby December contracts down by a nickel, while other months see increases of 15 to 50 cents. The national base hog price has risen to $90.60, a 79-cent increase from the previous day. Corn futures trading near steady, with minimal changes in price. Contracts show slight increases, up fractionally or by up to 2 cents. Recent gains from previous week's increase of 9.5 cents for December contracts maintained on Friday. Wheat prices have shown slight declines in winter wheat contracts, but remain stable for spring wheat. Overall, the wheat complex has seen mostly positive trade, with winter wheat attempting to establish a new price floor. Lean hog futures remained steady to slightly lower across most months, with December futures decreasing by $1.65 compared to last week's prices. Open interest also declined by 10,558 contracts on Friday. Additionally, the USDA reported a national base hog price of $90.14, down $1.33 from the previous day. Significant options trading activity spotted in Cleveland Cliffs Incorporated. Cleveland Cliffs Inc., CLF, saw unusually high options trading volume today, with a total of 233,082 contracts traded. This represents approximately 23.3 million underlying shares, indicating significant market interest in the company. Delta Air Lines Incorporated, DAL, sees notable options trading activity, with 55,897 contracts traded, representing approximately 1 hour's worth of typical volume. Stay informed with quantbyte.io for the latest financial news.